Behind me is the new profile folding full cage. Let me fold it in, fold it back out, and tell you why it's awesome. First, you don't have to deal with any unscrewing or complicated dismounting of the pull-up bar. It's just a pin, lower your pull-up bar, and now we're ready to fold our rack in. Notice how easy these uprights and cross members fold in. That's because when we designed and built our knuckles, we added a spring assist because each cross member and upright per side is around 200 pounds. So that's gonna be pretty tough to move without any assistance. Also, when we're opening our rack back up, there are stops, which always puts you in the right spot. Take your pull-up bar, pin it in, and we're ready to work out. So if you want to lift inside the safety of a full cage, but you're worried about fitting a rack in a tight space, the profile folding full cage is going to be an incredible option for you.